Up script manually every day. What if Python could automatically run your backups daily without touching anything? So, hello, welcome back to day 9 of our network automation with Python series on my YouTube channel Explore IT Issue Solution for All. In the previous video, we automate multiple devices like this, added retry logic, and even send the report via email. So but today we are taking automation one step further, correct? So we will make our network backup script run automatically on a schedule, correct? So a scheduler automatically run task at a specific time interval, such as for example every day at 9 a.m, every hours, or every 30 minutes. This means your backup can run automatically without manual work, correct? So in the real companies, network engineer don't manually run the script daily. So instead automate schedule handle. So daily backup, monitoring, health checkup, reporting automatically, correct? So before going to create a script, we need to show you the command as we are using in a script. Step by step we can explain. I will explain you guys. So first we need to, this is I have a script command for creating a scheduler, correct? So for creating a scheduler, first you need to install the library which name is schedule, correct? So you just go to the cmd and like this and run this command, pip install schedule, and enter. So see what happened. So you see there defaulting the user old installation because normal site package is not writable, correct? So requirement is already satisfied, schedule in C drive, because this message we received because I have already installed this library, schedule library, in our PC, correct? And the step 2 we have using the import libraries. So the command is import schedule, import time, import CSV from Netmiko, imports connect handler from the date time, import date time, and import OS. If you need to know more about these things, so please check out my older video in this series, so you can easily understand why we use this thing, correct? And also I request you to please, if you like our video, please like, subscribe, and comment. So next step is step 3. In the step 3, this define the backup folder location on the desktop like this. So I have created the one backup name of folder here, and the same backup we have defined in the script, correct? Okay, then step 4 is a command list. So command list means that which output you need in the text file, like show version of the router, show version of the switch, show running configuration, show IP interface brief, show IP routes, and show clocks, and more. As per your network requirement, you can add and delete the commands in this section, correct? Then step 5, we create the main backup function which contain all automation logic, defined backup and devices, correct? So like devices, as I have created one file here in the CSV like this, and I have added the multiple devices in the CSV file. Okay, so the step 6, we are using this open the CSV, means this open the CSV, okay, file containing all detail in this script. The open the CSV and contain all the devices information from this here. And step 7, we are using the here Python establish SSH connection with the Cisco devices using Netmiko. So it is a connection handler command, correct? Then step 8, enable mode. So this entire privilege exit execution mode, I mean I'll just show you the actually execution. Once we have do the configuration, first you need to go to the execute command. So same thing we are added in this step 8. And step 9, we are using this create a unique backup file using a timestamp and device. So unique backup file, suppose that the router 1, router 2, router 3 route is a unique name of the file and the timestamp with the text format, correct? And sorry. And step 10, we are this saves all commands output into the text backup file, correct. And step 9 is a logic, schedule logic. So means this is the most important line. Run the backup function automatically every 1 minute. Means that, so after 1 minute they will check the script again and again and send the backup file into the same folder and saved in the same folder, correct. Then step 12, we are using this create an infinite loop so that scheduler keep running. Okay, so scheduler keep running continuously, correct. And step 13, run the pending task. So this check is if any scheduled task is ready to execute, correct. So let's see what happening, what we have received the output once we have created this script and run in the Python via Netmiko. Okay, so these command I have copied in the one of the notepad file like this. Okay, and I have saved this file and all commands, script command, and save with the run. Suppose that I'll show you again and save as schedule backup. Suppose that I am rename this schedule backup.py. we add the py because py is an extension of the Python. So for running the Python script we need to require an extension .py. So I am save it in the desktop and save. So once this file is saved, I just go to the cmd or go to the PowerShell. So I'm just go to the cmd, and before going to run this script, first we need to go to the directory where this file is saved. So this file is saved on the desktop, so I'm just go to the directory cd space desktop. Now I am in desktop, so I am run here the command python scheduled backup.py. okay, so once we have hit the enter, we got some information. Let's see what happening. So I'm just hit enter here, then you see the scheduler is started. So scheduler is started and is try to connect the devices which I have added in the CSV file here. Then they will check the connection is established or not. So it's checking. First the scheduler is start, then is checking. If the connection is connected, then is run the script or run the command like show information, show where version, as we have added in the command, and we got the output in the text file and saved in the backup folder, is here. So let's see what happening after few minutes. It takes some minute because every 1 minute they run the schedule, because I have added in the script 1 minute. Okay, so every minute they will start the scheduling. And so let's see what happening. See, as you see, the script automatically started backup without manual execution. So first device is backupping, second device is backupping, and third and fourth, the all devices backup and saved in the backup folder. So see this, the four text file we have received here, and in the first file I am opening and see the first show version and show running configuration, show int br, as we have added the command in the script. So all output we have received in the backup, correct. So after 1 minute it's run again and create a one more file. So this is a scripting automation running the scheduler, correct. And the backup file were automatically generated with the time spent. Like see this is not a just scripting anymore, this is a fully automated infrastructure automation, correct. So today we learn how to automate network backups using the Python scheduler. Now your automation can run automatically. See this again after 1 minute is started. So how is real world network automation system work? Correct. I hope you hopefully you are understand everything. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the Approach IT Issues channel of our channel, and comment day 9. Okay, and I will see you in the uh, next day video. I mean day 10. Correct. Till then, thank you so much for watching our video, and please like, subscribe, and comment.